Good morning. Let's have coffee, guys. Mainit. Mainit-init ang coffee. So, kain tayo, guys. Have it. Kumusta kayo, guys? Nakaligo na tayo. Ang update natin this morning, nakaligo na tayo, guys. Ayun. Feel fresh na. Yummy. Guys, sub coffee. May palaman naman to. Hanap tayong walang palaman banda, guys. Meron talaga. Sarap. Kumpleto ang morning basta may coffee, guys. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat.